Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an example from mensuration. OAB is a sector of a circle with center O and radius 17 cm. OCD is a sector of a circle with center O and radius 10 cm. OCA and ODB are straight lines and angle AOB is given as 60 degree. The perimeter of the shaded shape ABDC can be written in the form a pi plus b centimeter. Find the value of a and the value of b. So let us try to understand the question first. Here we can see that two sectors are given. One is a bigger sector OAB with radius 17 centimeter and another one is a smaller sector OCD with a radius of 10 centimeter. Now both have a common central angle of 60 degree. Now in this diagram we need to find out what is the perimeter of this shaded region. Now perimeter is the border or the outline of the given shape. And here the perimeter is given in the form of a pi plus b. So here we have written perimeter of the shaded shape ABCD is given in the form of a pi plus b. And here we have redrawn the same figure and highlighted the shaded shape for easy reference. Now if we look at this shaded shape, the perimeter is made up of four things. The first one is the arc length AB from the sector OAB. The other one is the arc length CD from sector OCD and the side lengths AC and BD. So we can write here perimeter of the shaded shape ABCD is made up of arc length AB plus arc length CD plus the side length AC plus the side length BD. Now let us proceed by finding the side lengths AC and BD first. Now here we have to make use of the radii of the given sectors. We can see that OB is given as 17 cm and OC is given as 10 cm. So the value of BD or the value of AC will be just 17 minus 10 cm. So that is going to give us the side length BD as 7 cm and the side length AC as also 7 cm. Now once we have got the side lengths AC and BD, let us focus on the arc length AB, and we have the formula for arc length as theta over 360 degree times 2 pi times the radius. Now theta is the central angle of the bigger sector. Now we are looking at the arc length AB, so we are looking at the bigger sector. So the central angle is 60 degree, that is theta is 60 degree, and radius of the bigger sector is 17 centimeter. So let us just plug in the values of theta and radius in this given formula. So we have written here 60 over 360 times 2 pi times 17. Now solving this, we get the value of arc length AB as 17 pi over 3 centimeter. Now we are going to keep the answer in terms of pi because we can see that here perimeter is given in terms of pi. Now once we have got the arc length AB, let us move on to the arc length CD. Now we are going to make use of the same formula for arc length. So we are going to write here arc length CD, the same formula theta over 360 times 2 pi times radius. Now we have redrawn the same figure over here for easy reference. Since we are looking at the arc length CD, it belongs to the smaller sector OCD. So here again the theta is the central angle which is 60 degrees and the radius of the smaller sector is 10 centimeter. So plugging in the value of theta and radius, we get here 60 over 360 times 2 pi times the radius is 10 centimeter. Now solving this, we are going to get the answer as 10 pi over 3 centimeter. Again we are going to keep this value in terms of pi. Once we have got all of the values of the arc length AB, arc length CD, AC and BD, we are going to substitute their values in this formula. So we are going to write here perimeter of the shaded shape ABCD is equal to arc length AB. Its value we got it as 17 pi over 3 plus arc length CD. Its value we got it as 10 pi over 3 plus the side length AC which is 7 centimeter and side length BD which is again 7 centimeter. Now here we are going to add the like terms. So 17 pi over 3 and 10 pi over 3 are like terms and the denominators are same. So we are just going to add the numerators, that is 17 plus 10 gives us 27. So it simplifies as 27 pi over 3 plus 7 plus 7 are like terms, we get it as 14. Now 27 and 3 go in the table of 3. that is 3 1 times is 3 and 3 9 times is 27. So 9 pi plus 14, that is right over here. The perimeter of the shaded shape ABCD is 9 pi plus 14. But the format for the perimeter they had given us was A pi plus B. So by comparison, we can see that the value of A is 9 and B is a constant. So the value of B is going to be 14. So here we have written the value of A is 9 and the value of B is 14. These are the values of A and B. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then you can check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.